Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer, Madam Aljumra. My name is Putri Lila binti Muhammad Nizam. My lecture number is A23A1920 from class ATF10103L3. For this video presentation, I would like to explain about boundaryless organization. Let's move to the next part, which is introduction. A boundaryless organization is contemporary approach to organization design that breaks down the traditional locational constraints and hierarchy of the more traditional company structure. It is a company that rejects the external boundaries and internal hierarchy of more traditional organization. Employees at this type of organization can expect a flexibility business environment and team of co-workers that transcend geographic boundaries. According to the AIHR, a boundaryless organization is an organization that actively removes boundaries to innovation, meaning that it has less hierarchy and functional separate and is more integrated. This allows for a free flow of information, ideas, and innovation. A boundaryless organization has 4 dimensions, which is vertical, horizontal, external, and geographical boundaryless. Organization also have 4 types such as learning, modular, network, and virtual. Let's move to the next part, which is topic to management. For the topic to management, I will elaborate the dimension of boundaryless organization. So, for the first is vertical boundaries require a company to take control of 2 or more steps involved in the creation and sale of a product or service. The company must buy or recreate a part of production, distribution, or retail sales process that was previously outsourced. So, for this dimension, refer to the traditional hierarchy structure of an organization. A boundaryless organization aim to reduce management layers, allow ideas to travel freely through the organization, and new initiatives can be implemented without manager stopping potential innovative. This dimension aims here to create a healthy hierarchy. For the second dimension is horizontal dimension. Horizontal dimension is structure critical, allow company to focus on employees and give more control to individual team members. It can also facilitate more direct lines to communication between manager and employees. This is because there are not an intuitive hierarchical reporting structure. Then, this dimension refers to the functional number separation including department and other silos. By removing horizontal boundaries, ideas can be easily shared and implemented across the functionally. For the third dimension is external dimension. External dimension separate members within an organization from other entities that their organization interact with others. For example, for a research organization, external boundaries separate it from stakeholders in research project and end user, such as business management organization. This dimension refers to separation within the value chain. By working closely with customer and supplier, implementing innovation will be more effective. For the last dimension is geographical dimension. Geographical refers to distinction based on physical location, such as time zone. This is because managing teams across different time zones can pose challenges in schedule, meeting, and coordinating real-time collaboration. This is because dimension refers to the separation between the country or geography is a specific form of horizontal separation. By integrating different geography innovative, we separate more easily and can be implementing faster. Boundaryless organization removes obstacles to innovation and promote the generation of implementation of a new idea. The goal is to permanent boundaries so that ideas can travel through the organization with the hydrants. Boundaryless organization have more agility, flexibility, and a higher degree of integration. For the next part is, for example, I will explain type of boundaryless organization. So, for the first type is learning organization continuously learns and develops itself through the process of creating a new knowledge. The goal is to create a culture where employees are encouraged to learn and grow, which leads to the sustainable management. For example, this type of organization structure places a high emphasis on using new data information positively change a company's existing approach. As employees in a learning organization discover what works best alongside the pain point in any given process, they inform other members about their findings. This covers the improve of the function entire learning organization. The second type is modular organization. Modular organization is a structure of the most software management. Is a well-known and common illustration. In a company, a similar structure, one unit is a company responsible for delivery software, another for provide customer support, and so on. If a company outsources all the different parts, is a business aside from the most essential one. Ours aim to be modular organization. Modular organization preserve the most essential aspect of a business while throwing the door open to forge a partnership with other companies rather than trying to keep everything internal. The second last type is network organization. Network organization don't have a hierarchy organization chart where the chain of command runs through a case study line and middle managers. Instead, network organization tend to the feature cluster made up of the different department, unit or local office, and this culture work together on make happening only for particular purpose or need. Not planned before it happened. This is because network organization break down both internal and external barriers by serving traditional task assignment and making strategic alliance with outside company. These sorts of company aim to assign tasks to the most suitable candidate, regardless of where they rank in company's hierarchy. Last type is virtual organization. Virtual organization is to empower their remote workers to make decisions about where, when, and how they want to work. It's a flexible time and place for them to finish their work. While many companies might put some parameters on this sort of decision making, virtual team members still have far from live away on average to decide where and they want to do their work, what hour they want to do, and how they want to communicate with each other. This means that the virtual organization are a type of modular organization that entirely depend on technology. They are made of individuals who work remotely and communicate with each other through the digital. This means that virtual organization often used by companies that want to reduce overhead costs and increase flexibility. For this part, I will explain about the advantage. Modular organization also show that advantage of management, so without wasting time, the first advantage is increased autonomy. This means that giving employees the freedom to take charge of their work. This can involve varying aspects like choosing work hour, decision-making power, and creating process. Also, flexibility in deadline. While managers have more autonomy, individual employees also benefit, though not to the same extent. Autonomy doesn't mean working without rules. Certain situations may still require approval. This doesn't imply manager letting employee work without guides. There are still a team setting and support. It provides more freedom for employees in how they work within the set constraint, fostering a balance between independence and company support. The second part is can increase employee engagement. This is crucial as a positive influence, performance, productivity, profit, and overall management sustainable. It is also play a significant role in the well-being of employees and contributes to talent retention. Engaged employees serve as a blueprint for strategic improvement, inspire out and citizens in other and creating a positive work environment. To develop effective engagement strategy, observe behavior and attitude of engaged employees, include full commitment to the organization, dedicate to excellence, a collaboration mindset, and also effective communication with peers and leaders. In essence, engaged employees contribute the trigger workplace and organization success. The third advantage show that higher job certification is essential as it leads to improved performance. Job certification not only increase engagement but also enhance employees' productivity by promoting a better work-life balance. Evaluate job certification contribute to higher level of employees' engagement, which in turn positive impacts management service and organization success. The work environment attitude and quality of work provided by a company significant influence in employees' job certification. Although it might be challenged to the measure research method can be employed To compare certification level with the same company or industry using similar question, organization can cultivate a positive work environment that prioritizes employees' well-being, in motivation and commitment by focus on job certification, also investing in employee performance training. For instance, companies that provide training to employees often with the improved output as this input enhance the skill and experience in their roles. The last advantage is improved communication and collaboration. This means that team members can talk and work together more easily, combining their skill and knowledge for better outcome. Effective communication allows teams to exchange ideas, leading to the quickly completion of high-quality work. It speeds up the decision making since there are fewer levels of approval, enabling management to respond rapidly to the opportunity or challenge. While communication doesn't always guarantee collaboration, but collaboration is impossible without communication. Teams need to exchange knowledge and ideas to pursue that common goals in a boundaryless organization. Employee diverse expertise collaborate effectively discussing matter on the way, asking questions, sharing personal ideas instead of working separately and merging files at the end. Team members apply and share their skill through the discussion. This is because, simply put, a better communication, faster collaboration ensures overall team performance can achieve a great result. The last step is encourage creativity and innovative. This is because workers are more likely to generate fresh ideas and solutions without being confident to specific department. Creativity enables them to approach and solve problems openly. Fostering confidence also prioritize creativity in workplace. Not only unlock new opportunity for management innovation, but also full growth with the organization. Additional, when companies actively support creative thinking, it becomes in general part of the company culture, making the organization can attractive perspective for the future employees seeking an employer that value individual, also welcome idea for everyone. Instead, fostering creativity at the workplace environment also contribute to the organization continued growth and appeal. For the second last part of the report, I will explain about this advantage. In other hand, boundaryless organization also show the bad side, which is disadvantage. So the first is difficult in assign responsibility. Responsibility within a team can negative impact success. Each member must be accountable, but if someone avoid responsibility, it's erode trust and collaboration. Management should address this by setting clear roles for each team member, preventing misuse of teamwork and ensure the tasks are complete without misunderstanding between the employees. The second disadvantage is a lack of clear hierarchy. This is because lead to a deficient and responsibility, where employees are less likely to take accountability due to unclear role. This structure can work for smaller companies, but may become efficient during growth, leading to poor decision making and decreased productivity. So for the third is potential for confusion. In boundaryless organization, a risk of employers may be uncertain about their roles, impact performance, and causing delay in decision making. Misunderstanding can hinder planning and execution, affecting team performance. The second last show that communication challenge emerge as employee may struggle to know whom the communication with, leading to inefficient in boundaryless organization where employees work from various locations. Maintain effective communication become crucial for clarify and unity. Finally is loss of control occurs when safety risks are not effectively managed. In a boundaryless organization, the lack of hierarchy can make it challenging to control and mitigate safety risks, affecting overall management success. This structure may not suitable for all company required. Careful consideration is applicability. The last part of the report, which is conclusion. To conclude that boundaryless organization is a modern structure that approach in organization design. This organization primarily eliminates a boundary that company is going through within the company. Therefore, the organization is not defined by the horizontal, vertical, geographic, and external boundaries that are proposed by the structure. This system also allows the external and internal environment to link the company. Boundaryless organization is quite different for this. It is an organization where there don't any major structure, and the main approach to the business is allow information for flow freely and ideas to be driving force of efficiently innovation and growth in the company. I think that's all for me. Bye.